Imagine you've just created an awesome LEGO MOC.
Seriously, this is an incredible mock.
You're stuck searching for the perfect song for your YouTube channel. You settle for some generic open-source tune.
Please, just stop the music.
Don't worry. You can create your own epic song in just 3 simple steps. Go to Google and search for "Everything is Awesome." Copy the lyrics. Head over to ChatGPT and use this prompt. Add a few personal details to make it your own. Copy the final lyrics. Go to Suno AI, paste your lyrics, and use this prompt to bring your song to life. Play the song.
Everything is epic. Everything is cool when you're building a scene. Everything is epic when we're living the dream. Have you seen this mock? It's out of this world. Jedi battles, sand dunes swirl. Iconic fights from films and more. Easter eggs hiding in the desert to explore. I feel more epic than a pod race win. Rebuild the cantina, let the games begin. Fights with droids, Tusken raids, Star Wars magic in every shade.